This is the Volvo XC90. I believe it's 2007 or something. But let me go ahead and lock it real quick. The keys are left inside. Again, this is the second time. I don't know where's the keys at. I think it's in the middle. This is lock. Everything's locked. There are tools. Oh, the keys in the back. I can see it. Let me message him. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead, cut and pull. I think he wants to get program as well. Alright, I think we have a 2007 or 2004 Volvo XC90. Lock the keys inside. This is the second time, guys. This is the second time because I have done it before.